Oh my gosh, ako nga pala si Jeff. Share ko lang yung workout ko. Ayan, shoulder at saka biceps ang workout natin ngayon. Ayan, bali yan is shoulder press, dumbbell. Ayan, 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 12 repetition. Ayan, make sure na nakapag-warm up kayo ng maayos para iwas injury tayo. And the second workout is lateral raise. Bali, super sets to guys. Kasama yung yung real delts natin, yung workout natin. Yan, mahirap kasing palakihin yung real delts natin, yung muscle natin sa likod. Ayan. 10 to 12 reps, 3 to 4 sets din yan. And then, front raise. Ayan. Cable machine yung gamit namin. Mahirap talaga magpalaki ng katawan.